If you're thinking about putting your house on the market in the next year and you know it needs a couple little projects or renovations done to it before it's ready to go on the market, stay tuned in this video because I'm going to share with you some of the best projects and renovations you can do for the highest return on investment. Hey, aloha, Kristine Dugan here. If you're thinking about selling your house, you should know that the market's just a little bit different than what it was a couple years ago when we had that huge buyer frenzy going on and multiple offers, and you really didn't have to do anything before you put your house on the market. In today's market, you want to make sure that you're taking the best steps to have your house presented in what I like to call a model-like condition. So like if you think about model homes, you walk through and it looks so nice and so pretty. That's kind of what the goal is when you're putting your house on the market in today's market. So here's just a couple things that we found that have given you a good return on investment if you're going to be doing some remodeling or some projects or some renovations so you get the highest ROI on anything that you're doing. This graph shows the typical cost recovery for some of the common remodeling projects. Things like fixing or replacing a roof, a garage door, or hardwood floors generally have the best ROI. But keep in mind, it all depends on local market trends. And that's why it's important for us to get together before you start on anything so you know which updates have the biggest impact in our market. So if you want to make sure your house sells for the most money and the quickest amount of time, let's chat. We can get together and we can go over a list of remodeling projects or little tips and tricks to help get your home model ready. That way, when you put it on the market, everything goes as planned. Thanks so much. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comments below or DM me and make it a great day. Aloha.